Alright, so I'm going to make a little bit more of a professional video since yesterday I wasn't very professional with my words. Hold on. Okay. So this is what this machine does. Doesn't run unless you're giving it gas. That check engine light wasn't on, so that's new. But if you go back here, you can see the water line, the coolant lines where it's all wet through there. But then it's leaking right there. And it's leaking over there, but you can't really see it on the camera. But if we go over here, and we put about 9 psi in here. Or even 7 at that. We don't need much. Come back here. Give it a minute, it'll drip. It's slowly coming out. You can see where it's been dripping all along the head. You can see them water lines. That coolant lines. There it is, it's coming. It's nothing major, but it's enough. Look at that crap, man. That other one's about to drip. That's that Nflow quality right there. You know you get a Nflow engine if it don't work.